That's right, everybody. We are back with St. Ambrose Fish Fry, starting Ash Wednesday and then every Friday during Lent from 4:30 until 7 p.m. This year, we're back with dine in and carry out.
Run into the fish fry, Carol Ann! Run into the fish fry!
Look forward to our weekly specials. Coming up, we've got lobster mac and cheese, Baja tacos, fish sandwiches, and shrimp dinners. Looking forward to seeing you at the St. Ambrose Fish Fry.
I feel a change coming, it's closer every day.